Yeah, the Bose sounds so much better, literally. Hi guys, MyTechTalks, back with another video, and today we've got the JBL GO 3 here, and we've got the Bose SoundLink Micro right here. We're just going to do a sound test between both of these to see which one is better. So don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications, like this video if you like what you heard actually, and comment down below what you thought about the sound on these speakers. Now, I'm just going to put on an NCS song on the iPhone 8 right here. Just going to change in the, whatever, I forgot what that's called, AirPlay. Okay, let's get going. 50% on the JBL GO 3 to start off with. Let's get going. %50 on both. We're on the Bose. JBL GO 3. Bose. Okay, we're going to put it on 75 now for both. We're on the Bose. 75. Table starts vibrating. I ain't going to move it. The Bose sounds a lot nicer. Okay. From what I heard right there, guys, hands down, the Bose wins with the clarity, the bass. The treble, for me, is a bit nicer on the JBL, but the vocals are nicer on the Bose Micro. I think this was £35 when I purchased it on the JBL website. It might be cheaper on Amazon, but this is £100 on the Bose website, I'm pretty sure. And it's £89 at the moment when I'm shooting this on Amazon, but I got this particular one from CEX and I got it as C grade with no cable. Yeah, that fell off by accident. I picked it and it fell off. I went onto the CEX website and I purchased this for 50 quid, and if you can get one of these on CEX for 50 quid, hands down, buy this instead of this. This is great for 35, I'm pretty sure. I'll put it on the screen if I'm wrong. But for me, for the extra little bit of money, this hands down wins every day of the week. Now, if you love JBL, then obviously you're going to go with JBL because of the mids, I guess, or the treble. It's really nice, and the sound signature is very warm toned. Bose, on the other hand, if you want that rich, deep bass, then you have to go with the Bose because of basically it's way better than that. But then again, this is quite a bit more expensive if you buy it brand new compared to this. So swings and roundabouts. So put down in the comments down below what you thought about both these speakers. I'll just show you up close what they look like. So this one can stand up, this one can't really, unless you prop it up against something. But personally, I prefer the Bose every day of the week if you can get it for 50 quid. If not, then just go for this one. Unless you really want to have the best, smallest, compact speaker and have an absolutely amazing sound, then basically go for the Bose. But if you want to have something that's a little bit cheaper, well, quite a bit cheaper, and you want to get it new, and go for the JBL, and you can have it in multiple colours. This one's in loads of colours. I got the red one here. This one comes in orange, blue, and the black colour. Personally, I'm going to stick with this for now. So, cheerio for that one. No, I'm joking. Come back right here. This one, you can pair it with the Bose Connect app, I'm pretty sure. And you can link, say, this with this speaker here, which you can do stereo, but you can't do that on here. It doesn't have the capability. It has Bluetooth, but that's pretty much it. With this one and this one, you can connect them together as their SoundLink speakers, which is what I absolutely love. So you can put them in stereo, and you can have one on the left side, and you can have one on the other side of the room, or you can have it in party mode. But unfortunately, this isn't capable. So hopefully, with the Go 4, they can upgrade that. So that's all for this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications while you're there, hit the like button, comment down below what you thought, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. It just does. Sorry, JBL, but it just does.